Seems like phone manufacturers have finally understood that the true value in Indian smartphone market lies in the 10 to 15,000 price range. Xiaomi started the trend by launching the Redmi series, and now Honor is following suit. They recently launched the Honor 9 Lite, and now they've come up with another phone, the Honor 9N. So how good is this phone? Let's take a closer look. Hi guys, this is Rushil. In today's video, we'll examine the Honor 9N. So let's start with the specs first. The phone is running on Kirin 659 processor, same as the Honor 9 Lite. It comes in three different variants, a 3GB 32GB model, a 4GB 64GB model, and a top-end 4GB 128GB model. On the front of the device, we have a 5.84-inch display, this time with a notch. N9N, N for notch. No? Okay. Now at the back we have a dual camera setup. There is a 13 megapixel primary camera coupled with a 2 megapixel depth sensing lens. On the front of the device we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, because that is why we buy phones for these days. The phone is running on a 3000 mAh battery and comes with Huawei's own custom skin on Android Oreo 8.0. The pricing of this phone starts from 11,999 for the base model and goes up to 17,999 for the top-end model. In this price range, it competes directly with the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Asus Zenfone Pro Max M1. Zenfone Max Pro M1. Yeah, you get it. So, is it better than those phones? Well, in terms of design and UI, definitely. But where those phones pull apart is there better processors, and also both of them feature huge batteries. The Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a 4000 mAh battery and the Zenfone Max Pro M1 comes with an even bigger 5000 mAh battery. So battery life is one thing that concerns us about the Honor 9N. In terms of the camera performance, all of these three phones feature almost similarly. The Redmi Note 5 Pro does offer a bit better camera performance though. Now coming to the pros and cons, the Honor 9N is curvy and sure looks a lot better than its competitors. It comes in some amazing color options too, but Honor's favorite is definitely the blue one. As for the cons, although the daylight photos out of this camera come out to be pretty good, the low light performance is below average. Also, a better processor might have helped this phone's case. There's one more thing, the phone does seem a bit overpriced, because especially for the higher end models which do not offer anything special compared to their competitors. So that brings us to the end of this video. I wish I could say I was excited about this phone, but I really am not. It looks and feels good in hand, but there is nothing else that it offers. That being said, it's still a decent budget phone, and if you're looking to buy a phone under 15k, then you can go with the Honor 9N. However, if camera or battery life are your primary concerns, you might want to consider other options as well. Are you planning on buying the Honor 9N? If so, do let us know what you think about the phone in the comments below, and if you have any other questions, do leave them below so we can have our experts answer them for you. And don't forget to follow our channel to get all the latest news and stories from the tech world. Ta-da!